Okay guys, let's start a new tutorial. Today you'll learn how to sync WooCommerce orders to Google Sheets automatically with n8n. So with this tutorial, every new order placed on your WooCommerce store will be captured in real time and logged into a Google Sheet. This allows you to monitor all the new order instantly, track customer information, products, quantity, total and payment method, share live order data with your team, and eliminate manual export and reduce error. This workflow is perfect for the e-commerce managers, store owners, and agencies who want real-time order tracking and reporting. Let's start the workflow. First, you have the node WooCommerce trigger. His purpose is to start the workflow whenever a new order is placed on WooCommerce. You see that the event order.created. On authentication, you'll put your WooCommerce API key, the consumer key plus the consumer secret. The output field will be the order ID, the date, the customer name, the email, the product, the quantity, and the total payment method. After that, you'll have the node Google Sheet that on operation will be append your spreadsheet ID. You can put also here WooCommerce orders, for example. Range sheet will be from A to G. The values will be first will be the JSON date created for the order date. For the order ID will be JSON ID. For the customer name, JSON billing first name plus JSON billing the last name. For the customer email will be JSON billing email. And for the product and the quantity will be JSON line items dot map item results item name plus item dot quantity join. For total amount will be JSON total, and for payment method will be JSON payment method title. So it will be 7 fields to map out on the Google Sheet. That was all for this tutorial guys. See you on the next video. Bye bye.